Every brand today wants attention on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on Facebook. But posting consistently, responding to comments, creating content, and tracking performance takes time. A lot of time. That's why businesses hire social media managers, people whose entire job is to grow and manage a company's presence online. And the surprising part? You don't need a marketing degree or years of corporate experience to start. Many social media managers begin with simple skills and gradually turn them into full-time income. So what exactly does social media management involve, and how do people turn it into a real career? Let's break it down. Social media management is the process of planning, creating, publishing, and analyzing content across social media platforms. Businesses use social media for several reasons: to promote products, to build brand awareness, to communicate with customers, and to drive traffic to websites or online stores. But managing all of this consistently can be overwhelming for many companies. Small businesses especially often lack the time or expertise to maintain active social media accounts. That's where social media managers come in. They help businesses stay visible, relevant, and engaged with their audience. What a social media manager actually does. The work of a social media manager includes several responsibilities. One of the most important is content creation. This involves writing captions, designing posts, selecting images, or editing short videos. The goal is to create content that attracts attention and encourages interaction. Another key responsibility is scheduling posts. Instead of posting randomly, managers often use scheduling tools to plan content days or weeks in advance. This keeps accounts active and consistent. Engagement is another major task. Social media managers respond to comments, answer messages, and interact with followers. This helps build a relationship between the brand and its audience. They also track performance. Platforms provide analytics that show how posts perform. Managers review this data to understand what works and what doesn't. Over time, these insights help improve content strategy. Why businesses need social media managers. Many companies understand the importance of social media but struggle to manage it effectively. Posting occasionally is not enough. Algorithms reward consistency and engagement. That means brands must post regularly, respond quickly, and keep content interesting. For business owners already busy running operations, this can become overwhelming. Hiring a social media manager solves that problem. It allows businesses to focus on their core activities while someone else handles online presence. For managers, this demand creates a growing opportunity. Skills needed for social media management. The good news is that social media management does not require advanced technical skills, but certain abilities are very helpful. Communication is one of the most important. Managers must write clear captions, respond professionally to comments, and represent the brand's voice. Creativity also plays a major role. Social media thrives on content that is engaging and visually appealing. Understanding trends helps managers create posts that resonate with audiences. Basic design skills are useful as well. Many managers use tools like Canva to create graphics, banners, and social media posts. Another important skill is understanding analytics. Managers who can interpret performance data can adjust strategies to improve results. Over time, these skills become more valuable as businesses rely more heavily on social platforms. How people start in social media management. Many social media managers begin by managing small accounts. Sometimes it starts with helping a friend's business, a local restaurant, a small clothing brand, a personal brand. These early experiences provide practical learning. As managers build portfolios showing their results, they become more attractive to larger clients. Some people also create their own social media pages to demonstrate their ability to grow an audience. Showing proof of growth can be more powerful than simply claiming expertise. How much social media managers can earn. Income varies widely depending on experience and the number of clients. Beginners may charge relatively small monthly fees while building experience. More experienced managers often charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars per client each month. Some social media managers work with multiple businesses simultaneously. For example, managing 5 small accounts at moderate monthly fees can create a full-time income. Larger brands may also hire full-time social media managers as employees. These positions often include stable salaries and benefits. Freelancers, however, enjoy the flexibility of choosing their own clients and schedules. The importance of a niche. Just like many online businesses, specializing in a niche can help social media managers grow faster. Instead of working with any business, some managers focus on specific industries: restaurants, fitness coaches, real estate agents, e-commerce brands, influencers. Specializing helps managers understand the audience, trends, and content styles that work best in that field. This expertise can make them more valuable to clients. Tools social media managers use. Many tools help simplify social media management. Scheduling platforms allow posts to be prepared in advance and published automatically. Analytics tools track engagement and performance. Design platforms help create graphics quickly without professional design software. Video editing apps allow short-form content to be produced efficiently. Using these tools helps managers work faster and manage multiple accounts simultaneously. Technology makes the job much more scalable. Challenges of social media management. While the job offers flexibility, it also comes with challenges. Social media trends change rapidly. What works one month may stop working the next. Managers must constantly adapt to new features, algorithm updates, and content styles. Dealing with public comments can also be challenging. Sometimes customers post complaints or negative feedback. Responding professionally is essential to protect the brand's reputation. Another challenge is consistency. Building an audience requires regular posting and engagement over long periods. Results rarely appear overnight. Patience and persistence are essential. The future of social media management. Social media continues evolving rapidly. Short-form video has become one of the most powerful content formats. New platforms regularly appear. Artificial intelligence tools are also beginning to assist with content creation, scheduling, and analytics. Despite these changes, the demand for skilled social media managers continues growing. Businesses need people who understand both technology and human communication. The combination of creativity, strategy, and analytics keeps this role valuable. Social media management has become one of the most accessible digital careers today. With creativity, consistency, and a willingness to learn, many people turn this skill into a flexible source of income. Businesses need help staying visible online, and social media managers provide the strategy, content, and engagement that keep brands connected with their audiences. Whether someone chooses to freelance, build an agency, or work inside a company, the opportunities continue expanding as social media grows. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button so more people can discover it. Subscribe for more insights about online careers, digital businesses, and practical ways to earn income in the modern economy. And remember, in a world where attention is everything, the people who manage it hold real value.